The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Lexus GX 460 with the factory installed flush side rail. We've installed the Yakima RidgeLine JetStream base roof rack system, which is the JetStream load bar 50 inches in length, RidgeLine towers set of 4, and ridge clip set number 48. Some quick specs on this: 165 pounds evenly distributed is max weight capacity. Max crossbar spacing is 44 inches, and the minimum is 30.5 inches. So this is just a quick look at this system on the factory flush rail. This also works for the GX 470. For the complete year range, click the link in the description below, and that'll give you year range and complete details and how to make an easy purchase of the system. So this is a quick look, and like always, thanks for watching.